In this tutorial, I will show you how to merge multiple items together in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and open any design project or choose a template. Next, add the elements you want to merge. This can include text, images, shapes, icons, or any other design elements. Place the items on your canvas and arrange them the way you want them to appear together. To merge the items, select all the elements at the same time. You can do this by holding the Shift key on your keyboard and clicking each item. After selecting all the elements, look at the toolbar at the top of the editor and click Group. Once grouped, all the selected items will behave as one single object. You can move, resize, or rotate them together without changing their layout. If you ever want to edit the item separately again, simply click the grouped object and select Ungroup. This makes it easy to manage multiple elements while designing in Canva.